Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you're new here, I'm Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all of that. Now let's go get our nails done. As you can see, I am setting the mood. I am not taking you to a basic nail shop. I'm taking you to your home where you can pamper yourself, friend. Let's get into it. I'm just really trying to set the mood for you, girl, because it's time to relax. I have a treat for you guys. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial with my nails from my brand launching very soon, which is Sugar Scoop Beauty. Definitely follow me on Instagram for updates on the launch date. So we're going to go ahead and get into this tutorial. So we have two products from my line that we're using in this, and I just wanted to demonstrate it for you so you guys can kind of see what you are in for. Okay, so we're doing a flower or a rose manicure. So we're basically dipping our hands in rose water. There's a little bit of hand moisturizing soap in that water, so I'm just going to soak it and just relax. That's the main goal for this video, to relax and to get glam all at the same time. While we just soak, girl, hopefully you guys are all doing well. I just wanted to make sure that since this is kind of like a self-care video, we need to be caring for ourselves physically as well as mentally. So I hope all of you guys are doing well. I hope you find a little bit of relaxation in this video, because that is one of my goals with any of my videos. I just want you guys to relax and enjoy just watching. All right, so we're going ahead and starting with the sugar scrub, which is from my line. It's handcrafted, handmade by me. It'll be hand packaged by me as well. The texture of this is so beautiful. It's an emulsifying sugar scrub. This scrub is not oily, so if you take a shower with it, you're not going to have to worry about busting your ass in the shower, because it has a lotion consistency when combined with water. So it's not runny, so once you rub it into your skin, you don't have to worry about oils falling into the tub and you know, busting your ass, like I said before. So we're just going to massage this into the skin so it can exfoliate and remove any dead skin from our hands, because when it comes to getting your nails done, your hands have to look good. It has to look just as good as your nails. So I'm just massaging that, and you can see that it's turning into a little bit of a more lotiony texture with the sugar. So it does have the scrubby effect, but then it coats your hand in this beautiful, beautiful texture of lotion and sugar combined, and the moisture is intoxicating, you guys, and the scent is so pretty. I just cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on this, but I'm just showing and demonstrating everything for you, so just pay attention. Definitely focusing around those cuticles, making sure all the dead skin is removed from that area, because I want a smooth transition from the cuticle to the nail beds. Okay, so just go ahead, massage, relax, enjoy. Now our hands are so soft. When you wash this scrub off, it feels like you've already moisturized. So you're killing two birds with one stone. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and clip all the excess nails from our fingers or our nail bed, because we want to make sure these sets stick properly, and the more nail or more surface that it has to stick to, the higher chance you run of it lifting. So we just clip away any excess nail because it's not necessary if you're doing a full set of press on. So just clip, clip, clip. Okay, here I'm just wiping my finger or my nail beds off with alcohol. You can do this with nail polish remover, acetone. It's just to get rid of that excess oil, because you can't have any oils on the nail bed if you plan on them sticking. Okay, so now we're gonna buff the surface of the nails so it can create a rough texture to help the nails kind of cling on to it even more. So definitely, guys, pay attention to these steps if you want a long lasting set. Okay, so this is what I do to carry the set for up to 2 weeks. Now sometimes you may have some that lift, and if any lift, take it off and just kind of re-glue it. Don't let it just sit there lifted, because you don't want water to be trapped in it. You don't want any issues when it comes to that. So definitely just remove it and, you know, glue it on again. All right, so here I'm just continuing to buff each and every nail. Another very important step, we're going to be pushing back those cuticles. So I kind of push it back and just a little upward, like backing up, because I need to create a pocket in which I can slide the press-on nails right under that cuticle, so that way we have a natural looking set. We know that our nails are not real. We know they're not, you know, a set that you sat for in the salon with acrylic, but we need it to appear that way because we want to scam people. I'm joking, but I'm not. We want to make it look like we sat in the salon for hours to get these perfect nails, but we did it in the convenience of our own home, and we even added roses to the water. Where they do that at, okay? And you don't even have to wear a bra, really, just so you know. Okay, so here are the nails that we're wearing. This is the matte set, and the name of her is Toaster Strudel. She also comes glossy, which is glazed strudel, and that will be on the site once it launches. So be sure to follow Sugar Scoop Beauty to be in tune with these updates. Okay, so right now I'm just going to fit the nails. We're going to make sure they all fit. The set comes with 24 nails, so everyone can find their size in that bunch. And I'm just filing off any excess because I want this to fit perfectly as possible. When I place it on the nail bed, it looks fine, but there was just a teeny bit that was kind of spilling over, and I want to make sure it's perfect. So I use the filer, which that comes in the kit. I use a filer and I fit them to my nail bed perfectly. So I'm just showing you guys how sturdy the nail is. The portion that is glued on to the nail bed is flexible, but the tip of the nail is very sturdy, and it's a little teeny thicker than the average press-on nails. So you're not gonna have to worry about it being flimsy or anything like that, because quality, honey, quality is top priority. These need to be nails that I enjoy wearing. So I know that if I enjoy wearing them, you guys are for sure gonna enjoy wearing them. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of glue kind of oozing out of the nail there. So I just wipe it away, but I wipe it upward. I try not to get the glue on the actual nail. So I wipe it away upward towards the skin. Guys, I had to change my glue during this video because the Dollar Tree one ran out. I really used that. So I ran out of it. So this is the Kiss glue, which is more of a gel consistency, which I really like the Kiss glue consistency, the gel, because it gives you time to fix any mistakes or anything like that. It isn't as fast drying, and it has the least amount of air pockets that you would have to deal with when it comes to that consistency, because it's so thick. So I really like that one as well. Now, glue will come in your kits when you purchase from me, so you'll have an entire kit that you can do your nails. You'll have your filer, your cuticle pusher, the glue, everything, and of course the gorgeous set. Okay, so I'm just filing it and smoothing out the parts that I just clipped with the nail clipper. Okay, here, so I'm just showing you the thickness. You can see how thick they are once they're clipped, so you know that they're not, you know, flimsy, because some nails can be, you know, a little flimsy. So these are not. These are really sturdy nails, of course. Okay, just showing you the process at this point. Okay, so now we've already shaped everything up. So we're gonna do our final step, which is some oil in the cuticles. So I'm just doing that here. I love this part. I really love doing this part. Guys, here is the finished product. What do you think? How do you like it? Leave any feedback below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Girl, make sure you come back. Please bring a friend. Follow me at Sugar Scoop Beauty on Instagram, as well as Cateyeglamour on Instagram, so you can be in the loop when it comes to updates of the launch date. Trust me, boo, you're not gonna want to miss this. Oh,